and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. What always happens is coins get listed to Coinbase Pro just to build up enough liquidity to add it to the Coinbase app. So Dogecoin will be on the Coinbase app within days. It's funny because it wasn't a wedge. I'm crude with PA, but it was in a wedge. And clearly, boom, 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 and up and out of it. It looks like it almost wanted to be rejected. Back down again, but up and out. I also threw a big chunk. I took gains from some of the coins that did very well for me. Ignore the Fibonacci. I'm just playing with it. This is a great time to buy Luna. The best DeFi going on right now is on the Luna blockchain. And in order to get back to the price we were at, we're looking at 237% profit. And this here, this was just how it was naturally growing. This was its natural movement. No crazy news. And even though the price has dumped, transactions and usage is at an all-time high on the Luna blockchain. So I'm going to just take a copy of this natural growth that it had and paste it right here. If it did it once, it can do it again. And I think after a steep crash like this, see, it went up like this after it already went up, went sideways, and then up. There was no crash. And usually when there's a crash, things correct back upward more quickly than a natural movement upward. So you could, I mean, and even if it does this, this is phenomenal. This is 254% gains in 22 days. If it does what it did last time, if a natural movement back up, because it's such a good blockchain. But since we had such a harsh dip, and we tend to come back strong from dips, something more like that could happen. A little steeper, and a little quicker. So, and a little more. So that's a 285% gain in 10 days. It can happen. It could happen. But let's look at Doge. 42 cents and running. You gotta be kidding me. 42 cents and running. Let's put it back on the 15. So we're looking great. That's phew. Look at all the bullish hours in a row. Let's switch to the hour. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bullish hours. 2 bearish hours, 1 bullish hour, 1 bearish hour, 1 bullish hour, 1 bearish hour, and then 1, 2, 3. Can you even call that a red? 4, 5, 6, and we're just running. We peaked. We wicked up to 42 cents here. And I gotta put a horizontal line back at 33 cents. And get rid of this. I could watch this move the map all day long. It'll just keep pushing this up higher and pushing these down lower, making this look smaller. We're not on the minute. We're not on the 15. We're on the hour, folks. Wick to wick. That's a 53% gain in 3 days. Wick to wick. It's a 100% gain in 14 days. Doge doesn't stop. But, who really got the bottom of that wick? You're lucky if you did. I'll join the chat in case anyone's... I'll join the chat in case anybody is... What's that? Wrong button. Now let's reset this chart so we can see this thing. Boom. Looks like we got all the watchers on Periscope. Twitter. Cool. If you're watching this, follow me on Twitter. They're doing away with Periscope, but apparently live streaming is not going anywhere on Twitter. Very currency. I also bought the Uniswap dip. Ignore the Fibonacci. Got it right here. Once the price gets back up there, I'm looking at 62% gains. I see hundreds of percent. I see a couple X's coming for Uniswap. I think DeFi tokens are going to be what gets bought up. I have to stop sharing my screen for 1 second so you can see my beautiful face. Just got to make one little edit here. Do, 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 do. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Perfect. And we're off. Share my screen again. And we're at 42 cents. 42 cents and running. Dogecoin, Dogecoin. Gonna make a lot of money with Dogecoin. Dogecoin, Dogecoin, the best performing crypto out there. And that's true. Put it on the weekly and take a measured move. If you got it down here at a fraction of a cent, wasn't even that long ago. That was this year, January. You would have been up 8,000% in 105 days. That's a little over 3 months. 8,000% pump. And you're still up a little under 5,000% to this day. And, this looks crazy down here. But those couple of fractions of a cent make a big difference. If you get it right on the money with the tool here. Yeah, you see it was as low as, we had years to buy Dogecoin. And they told us. We knew. Even if you bought it during the pump right here, you're still up 272% in a little over a month. In 50 days, almost 2 months. Almost 300%. That's 150% a month. It's over 150% a month, 50 days. So Dogecoin's doing great on the week. Doing great for the past 3 days. Doing great for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4-hour candles. So for the past 20 hours, nothing but net. Nothing but net. And Dogecoin's a volatile one. But with this Coinbase listing, we'll see a good pump like we've seen before. And a good drop and a good pump back up. This could be exactly how it plays out. I mean, it will not be exactly how it plays out. And that dip could come a lot sooner. But if history repeats itself there, we're looking at 111% gains in 10 days. 10 days and 10 hours. 111 and 10 and 10. It's just the data. This is just a copied move of this. And if it gets added to Coinbase, and the whole market corrects, Bitcoin, Ethereum come back up, Doge's coming back up with it, and you're gonna be able to buy it on Coinbase. Doge isn't everywhere. Most people buy a crypto on Coinbase. It's got the highest volume. And go figure, I just got paid again. So, more dip buying for this guy. There's so many good dips to buy. Phantom, Ren, pick up some Ren, some FTM, Phantom, and some Harmony One. I mean, these coins, along with Dogecoin, Cardano, Ren. Look what Ren did. Look how far Ren's got to come back up. And this is a DeFi. This is a DeFi token. It's got to come back 200%, 211%. And look at the way it moved naturally before the crash. If we just repeat history, no. If we just repeat history, there we go. We can see a new all-time high pretty quickly. And remember, when things crash fast, they come back up faster than normal. And there was no crash. It was flat, and then it went up like this. Like this. Now we crashed, we should come back up quicker. But even if we just repeat history, we're looking at 244% gains in 40 days with Ren. Now, I'm no financial advisor. I don't know if this is going to be right or wrong. But with Phantom, we got to get up 200%. And Phantom's one of the best projects out there. So if we grab this bars pattern all the way to the peak here, look what that does. And remember what I keep saying, we correct. When we have a large drop like this, we come up faster than we did in history previously. So this would give us 205% gains in 17 days. And that's it. That's what it did before. Phantom went up 205% in 15 days. Naturally, after a flat movement. So, in Harmony 1 is focused on interoperability. It's been holding up strong. Looks like I've already put a. Harmony's been holding up strong through this. But it's got a ways to go. It's funny, it's called One, and it will be $1 one day soon. This price is going to go bananas. This price will go bananas. Even Charles Hoskinson never credits. Never credits. other projects. He said Harmony One. That is a good project. Now, what move was I taking there? Just this natural move, I think. I call them natural moves because there was no bad news, no especially good news. This was just the project going up at the project's rate of going up. And it can do it again. And it is likely to do it quicker and faster. So let's just say a little bit quicker and faster. Let's not even say it does it quicker and faster. We're still looking at 186% gains in 18 days. Crypto dropped, but sentiment is higher than ever. There's Luna. I mean, Uniswap. Sushi Swap's another good one. Run protocol. Let's look at ADA 43. I mean, let's look at Doge. ADA's doing well, too. ADA's doing very well. Thanks to the run up it had before the crash, because smart contracts are coming. And as you can see, it's continuing to run back up. With great buying pressure. This put us right at $3. Go figure. This puts us right at $3. That's a 70% gain in 20 days. Because that's what it did here. It came up 20%. It came up. I forget what I said there. Yep. 60, 70, 69% gains in 20 days. Because it came up 69% in 20 days here. Anticipation of smart contracts. And we're going to come back up. We're going to keep making these moves up. Cardano doesn't stop here. Crypto doesn't stop here. Dogecoin's back to 44. Let's see 45. I want to get some popcorn. Watching my money go up is like one of my favorite things. Yahoo Finance. Bitcoin price crash isn't over, says JP Morgan. Come on. They really going to keep spreading FUD? What does it say in this article? Come on, hit 45. Hit 45. eBay sellers can no longer use PayPal under new terms of whatever. That child tax credit's going to pump a lot of money into the economy in July, along with the spending package. This article from Yahoo says Bitcoin price crashes leaves only one good course of action for believers. Buy it. Shiba Inu tax on 10% and hunt for elusive $1 target. Yeah, right. Dogecoin is the coin. Elon Musk tweets again, sending shares of Baby Shark investors soaring. Shares of Samsung Publishing investor, the producer of Baby Shark. Do. All right, let me click on this FUD story at the top. See how fuddy it is. Come on, 45. You already almost wicked up to it. All right. Let's listen to the guy. There we go. Here it is.
Value of Bitcoin long term.
This is JP Morgan.
Brian Zazi, you spent the weekend.
This is JP Morgan strategist and Bitcoin expert Nicholas something.
Thinking about Bitcoin as the digital asset space, of course, continued its 24/7 trading. And a note from the folks over at JP Morgan talking about, this one always gets me, the fundamental value of Bitcoin long term.
Yeah, I spent the weekend thinking about some Bitcoin, stock markets. I worked on my putting a little bit, saw Cruella at an actual movie theater. More on that later. That I know is a very exciting personal moment for me. But yes, a good note by JP Morgan strategist Nicholas Panagurtsalu, closely watched name in the Bitcoin space, coming out with a very interesting note over the weekend saying, quote, it would still take price declines in Bitcoin to the 26,000 level before longer-term momentum would signal capitulation. So I boiled this down to several bullet points. The ultimate takeaway here is that JP Morgan just doesn't think that the price decline in Bitcoin is in fact over. A couple bullet points worth noting here. Institutional demand is harmed by the Bitcoin plunge. Second, capitulation hasn't happened yet, despite the plunge that we saw in May. Bitcoin was down to close to 40% in May, a real absolute hammering. And JP Morgan sees fair value for Bitcoin in the 24,000 to 36,000 range, which is just very interesting, which suggests there is more downside risk to Bitcoin. The weekend, we didn't see large price declines, kind of sideways trading, but still looking for that upside catalyst or maybe downside catalyst. So here's my take overall. Where is the next upside catalyst for Bitcoin? It's hard to determine at this point. A lot of the things that drove up Bitcoin over the past 6 months are well known at this point. Number two, regulation is coming, and I encourage investors to just get ready for it and mentally deal with it. It is in fact coming. And last but not least, Miles, I think we've learned perhaps that Bitcoin or cryptocurrency more broadly isn't an inflation hedge. Look, we saw crypto prices plunge through a trapdoor in May, just as inflation readings have gone through the roof. Where are the buyers?
Right here, buddy.
I mean, look, I don't envy anyone who works at a Wall Street firm who's now opining on Bitcoin. And it always feels awkward, Julie, when the classic language of financial analysis, things like fair value and momentum momentum makes sense in the context of Bitcoin, but the fair value of Bitcoin or any other crypto asset, I mean, it has social value. The social value right now is assigned at around $37,000 per Bitcoin. And I find the effort to shoehorn some of that language into this new crypto space awkward at best, though on the other hand, I don't really have an alternative for the other way you'd go about publishing anything like analysis on the space.
Well, I mean, the question of what's the next upside catalyst for Bitcoin, more people decide to buy it at a higher price. That's the next upside catalyst for Bitcoin. That's all it is, right? I mean, sure, maybe you'll have some news headline, maybe Elon Musk will tweet, but at the end of the day, as we know, this is sentiment driven, and I think the whole, what was it, the Tinkerbell effect that we talked about, it has value because people believe it has value. And how do you put fair value on that? What's in the psychology of the market? I think that's really difficult to do.
I knew you were going to respond to that one, Julie. I sensed you were going to try to decipher when that next catalyst is. Your answer was very much in line with my thinking.
Look, the other thing too, if we want to do the whole thing,
I love listening to news guys that don't know what they're talking about. It's hilarious. Coinbase Pro opens up to Dogecoin after cryptocurrencies 6,000% gain this year. That's right. Here's one with Dogecoin soars as Elon Musk declares the crypto's inevitable financial takeover following Coinbase Pro listing. Dogecoin rallied more than 20% Wednesday morning following news it would soon be added to one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, and encouragement from billionaire enthusiast Elon Musk on Twitter, gaining nearly $10 billion in market cap, but leaving it a long way off the all-time high it reached ahead of Musk's SNL appearance in early May. Dogecoin was trading around 39 cents a coin early Wednesday morning. Now it's 44 and climbing good. Look at this. The exchange's announcement spurred a flurry of interest in the meme cryptocurrency, as did tweets from Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who regularly moves crypto markets with his social media activity. Musk responded to the Coinbase announcement by reposting an old tweet calling the rise of the Dogecoin inevitable, later reigniting interest with another Doge-based meme. Dogecoin's market cap now sits around $51 billion, up from $42 billion on Tuesday, making it the sixth most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap. As its current value, Dogecoin is worth more than COVID-19 vaccine producer BioNTech, Dollar General, and Marriott International. Yeah, he posted this tweet. Says the Dogecoin standard. I'm sure if you guys are watching this video, you probably already saw it. If you're into Dogecoin. We'll head over to Twitter here. Yeah, Elon Musk. Yeah, it just went away on me. Doge went up 8% in the hour. This was posted a couple minutes ago. 14 minutes ago. Doge went up 8% this past hour. Yeah, have you seen that the Tiger King coin? But let's go to Elon Musk's tweets and replies. Is Obama giving Obama a medal? With Tesla documentary with redacted Elon Musk tweets and quotes wins something. Yeah, we went public for $3.40 a share. That's right. All right, where's the Doge wave? Right here. Elon posted this. He said, found this pic of me as a child. 1980. It's got old computer boards. I have to keep my passion hidden from the public or I'll be socially ostracized. How do I get my money back? I'm new to crypto. LOL. Ooh, somebody's talking about the Atari token with him. Do you not play Atari games? Replying to Elon Musk when you were young. Tesla posted a tweet in 2019 about the use of Atari games. Atari begins its new revolution with the Atari token, which I'm so bullish on. If you know anything about my channel, I post updates on the Atari token constantly. And I'm constantly monitoring the Atari token Telegram as well. The CEO does a weekly AMA here. And the price is down to 11 cents at under 200 million market cap. It's ridiculously it's a ridiculous opportunity. It's a great opportunity. 6 hours and 39 minutes. Cardano Project Catalyst starts. Ooh, we wicked up to 45. You see that? We did it. We wicked up just about to 45, 44.8. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's great. That's lovely. Let's check Coinbase because the whole market should be going up a decent percentage. 3%. Kyber's gaining a ton. And it's getting looked at the most. Peepcoin. Energo. Meat One. The buy coin keeps going up, but it's not a real coin. 3x long Dogecoin token. You can get that on I think like Bitfinex. A couple of one of the decentralized exchanges sells these 3x long tokens. Doge went up 122% today. Convex Finance at 22 million. I'm going to check out what that is. Went up 117% today with a 22 million market cap. Supermoon went up 88% today. Decentralized data asset management. Cool. Baby Shark pumped 88%. Price is zero. Market, we got to look at the coin market cap for that. Porn Rocket went up 85% today. 4.4 million market cap. I gotta see where you buy that at. Uno Re, cool looking graphic. Uno's a cool ticker name. 58 cents, up 82% today. 9.3 million market cap, so that's a tiny gem. Safe hamsters. I was just talking about meme coins are like hamster dance. Pointless. $3.9 million. Ternoa. Caps. Up 71% today. 4 million market cap. Let's look at one more page. This is how I find some of the best gains I've ever gotten in my life. Just by looking at things that are under 100, under 500 million market cap, preferably under 100 million. Just gotta look for that M when you're scrolling down. But then you gotta do more research into it, and I'll show you that in a second. There was nothing on this page, so let's go to the next one. Ooh, 3's my favorite number. ABC coin. Nice, smooth growth. 200, almost 300 mil. I gotta see what that is. It's probably some kind of learning coin. I'm glad I went to another page. Publish news. Is this a decentralized news? It's Apex. It's got the Eye of Horus. Launch X. 8.6 million. Went up 47% today. And Loser Coin went up 50% today. It's got 19 million market cap. Baby Shiba went up 50% today. All right, let's take a look at these. Convex Finance. It's up 216% in the week. 224 in the month. So it's a new coin. It's been around for a month. Or it's been on Coinbase for a month. Boosted curve staking. So it's CRV, earn curve with a better boost. Put your curve to work. Stake and earn additional curve on top of CVX tokens. Stake CVX and earn more CVX. Deposit any amount of curve into Convex. Receive Convex curve tokens in exchange for providing curve. Receive a share of the total curve rewards. Earn curve platform trading fees. All right. It's got a unreported market cap. And it is being sold on Sushi Swap and OX protocol. OX, I'm very bullish on these decentralized exchanges. Sushi Swap, Sushi token, and the OX token. They're going to be big players. Supermoon. 88% today. 100% in the week. So it's been around for a week. And already has... Let's see. Not 34 million market cap. Let's look at the source code, white paper, and website. This ought to be funny. Let's look at the market. You can only get it on Pancake Swap. Of course you can. It was updated 6 days ago. The smart contract. You can look at it and see that it is probably... I'm familiar with Solidity, the Ethereum language. And yes, say this is a clone of SafeMoon. Let's see what they changed. See what they changed. There's the V2 router. A total of how... Oh my god, how many coins is this? How many zeros is that? 1 quadrillion. So Supermoon has a max supply of 1 quadrillion. 9 decimals. Symbol OSM. Tax fee 5%. Liquidity fee 5%. Burn 3%. Percentage gets burnt. This is just Supermoon with 1 quadrillion tokens. With probably some added... This is longer, so some stuff was added probably to give the creator extra tokens, percentage of the fees, which is so shady. So next, look at this white paper. The age of altcoins. In recent years, the crypto market has had a huge impact on global finance. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been used to solve complex economic issues in today's world. The recent surge in popularity of altcoins has made the crypto space even more accessible to the everyday person. Altcoins such as Doge have demonstrated there is a vast market for community-backed tokens. Supermoon aims to utilize the gap in this market by bringing together the strongest community in the crypto space and giving them a healthy ecosystem of financial tools, social networking, entertainment opportunities, and wealth generation. 5% goes back to our holders. That's cool. So your tokens... I hold some tokens that every time I open up my wallet, there's more than there was yesterday because it's constantly going up. So that's a good amount. 5% goes back to the holders. 2% goes to the liquidity pool, and 3% is burned. So that's a 10% tax. That's good tokenomics. Meaning the longer you hold Supermoon, the more Supermoon you get. It's true. I don't buy into these coins though, but it could really boom. What are they trying to do in NFT marketplace launch? Supermoon trading card game. They spelled Supermoon wrong there. See, Supermoon. Supermoon. Look into producing Supermoon comic book, Christmas charity campaign. Look into sponsoring scholarships for astronaut program. Develop Supermoon game for iOS. Launch blog, NFT minting, donations to space exploration. And in May, we're already outside of May. Contact creation, build website, complete white paper, code autofill, token pre-sales, coin market cap listing. So they did all that with the pancake swap. And now in Q2, merch store, live AMAs, community building, farming launch, release, first custom NFTs. Yeah. Baby Shark, another meme coin. Live Baby Shark price today is $7.75 USD. 24 trading hour trading volume of $2.4 million. It's up 83% in the last 24 hours. Live market cap not available. But it's about $5 million. Shark USDT. This is ridiculous. Let me refresh this page. Get that chart back up. And I bet you can only get it on Uniswap or SushiSwap. Look at it, was all the way up to it's hard to get to the top here. It's all the way up to like $2. Now it's at a fraction of a cent. Is that right? How did it make that jump there? I gotta go to Trading View here. How is that possible? Oh, it's not gonna show up. Because you see here it goes from a fraction of a cent to $1. E minus 8. Yeah. Don't get involved. No, where's it being sold at? What is this? Pancake swap? I mean, with $2.4 million of volume, with the price of all those decimals in one, that's insane. These are all percentage. Looks like most of the volume is in Tether and wrapped BNB. All right. Gotta love Pancake Swap. I'm a huge fan of any swap, though. You can swap tokens between any blockchain. You can even get the Atari token here for super cheap instead of paying all sorts of gas fees. You pay like a fraction of a cent in gas fees on any swap. Where we at, Doge? 42. All right. I'm going to call it a stream. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Twitter. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe wherever you're watching me. I'll see you again soon. Peace.